Heirloom Shower S4848 Overall Assembly Procedure. Install the L-Clear water seal onto the edge of the front panels. Cut the seal strip to the length. Attach the back panels to the front frame with 1/2 inch metal screws, and then move them together onto the top of the shower base. Install the doors to the tracks, top track first. Then push the bottom rollers into the bottom track. Tight the metal nuts. Connect hot and cold water supplies to the back of the function panel. Connect all internal water hoses from the diverter. Make sure all water connections are tight and leak-free. Connect power to the radio control, as well as wire connections to the speaker, fan, and LED lights. Secure the function panel to the back panels with 1/2 inch metal screws through cup washers.